Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some exciting news with you guys. I actually opened an Etsy shop in Canada where I sell really cute homemade stickers, and as I always do on this channel, I'm going to be taking you through the process of how I made them, and if you want to see how to open your own Etsy shop, keep watching. So the first thing I did is I designed them in Procreate. That would be a different video as it would just take too long to show you, but basically Procreate is easy to use. You just go to a font copyright website and buy the license to fonts, and then you can do your designs as well. And then I'm going to be printing them out on matte vinyl paper. I got this from Amazon. It's probably not the cheapest way to buy it because it is quite expensive, but I just needed some to work with, and I'm going to be printing my designs out on that. And then once they're printed, I'm going to be using a laminating sheet to make sure that they're waterproof. The vinyl itself is already waterproof. You're just going to want to make sure that the ink that you are using is, because obviously it is just ink on paper. It's not going to be waterproof unless you put a layer over top. So I just bought the Avery self-adhesive sheets. You're going to want to measure that black border on your Cricut and make sure that you don't put the laminating sheets over that. It's going to ruin the Cricut's like little collaboration thing that it does. So just measure it out and then cut out the piece that's perfect, and then you're just going to put it on. Once you have it all on, you're going to want to use the blue Cricut mat. Do not use the green. It's going to pull the backing off of your vinyl sticker paper if you try to pull them off. I learned this the hard way. So yeah, just make sure you use the blue mat, not the green one or the purple one, and you're going to be good to go. So I'm just going to be placing it on my mat, and the Cricut's going to do everything for you. It's super easy to do, and your stickers will come out perfect every single time. The best way I found is to set your Cricut to Poster Board Plus. It's going to do 2 runs over each cut, and it'll make it so that you can pull the stickers right off super easy, and the cuts are perfect. And here are some of my stickers that I did. I did about 7 different designs, but here's just a few of them. They came out super cute. I also just designed cute little thank you cards on Procreate, and I got these printed at Staples because the ink for my printer is kind of expensive and I didn't want to waste it on thank you cards. It was about $5 to get 5 sheets printed because their service fee is like $2, so if you're going to pay for the service fee, you might as well get a bunch more if you like them. I just wanted to make sure that it didn't come out pixelated when I printed it, and it didn't. It looked really cute. I'll show you what they look like here. And then I also picked up a little stand at Winners to hold all the stickers. I have my packaging and all the stickers and then the little thank you cards, and then I have 3 little mini packs that I did just as testers, and I'm going to be selling those as well. And then there's a little bin at the bottom for envelopes. So yeah, that's basically the video, guys. If you want to order my stickers, unfortunately I'm only shipping within Canada right now, so if you live in Canada and you like some of my stickers and you want to support me, I'll be putting my Etsy shop in the bio below. Yeah, and if you just want to check my Etsy out anyway, you guys can. And that's the video for today, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe if you're not already.